Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button. Also turn on post notifications. I'm going to be talking about my experience here with my 2023 Kia K5. This one is the GT line trim. This also has the red interior, also with the beautiful wolf gray exterior paint here. My friend actually washed my car yesterday, so it is looking very clean than it did like 2 days ago or so. To tell you guys the truth, this wolf gray color here is very popular in my local area. Let me know in the comment section if you guys see more wolf gray K5s in your area. Me personally, I can literally count how many times I've seen one just like my vehicle, maybe not with the red interior, but with the nice wolf gray paint. I want to say I counted about 5, and right now it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. So I've seen 5 since I've been on the road. Since 8 o'clock just morning. So that's a very short time period, and they're all different drivers. They're not the same drivers. So this wolf gray paint here is very popular here in the K5 family. So with my experience here, this vehicle drives really well. It's fuel efficient. I wish that Kia would just offer a hybrid option or maybe a plug-in variant here for the K5 family. You can get that on the Sonata, not the plug-in variant, but you can get a hybrid option, which I think is kind of weird because they both are different brands, but there's, you know, they do this the part sharing, which in a sense I feel like Kia should have just offered that hybrid powertrain as well. The base powertrain is good, but that 2.5 liter turbo, that's where you want to get at if you guys are looking for acceleration, torque, and horsepower wise. But the base powertrain is still a good powertrain. Fuel efficiency wise, I'm averaging around 28 to almost 30 mpg with highway and city driving. I try to do my best to not to go a little fast and whatnot. I'm not gonna incriminate myself, but just to do the speed limit and whatnot. But yeah, with that being said, I want to say $35 to $40 normally fills me up, depending on what the price of gas is at the time. Here in my local area is like $3.23, so that's pretty decent fuel, kind of like to fill my car up. That's just like every other car that I had before. It was like almost $40 to fill it up, so I'm not really taking too much of a hit in my pocket when it comes to filling up my vehicle. But I love the red interior look. I like the nice wolf gray paint here. I took delivery of this car back in July of 2022, so I had it approximately 5 months now. Once again, guys, it's a good vehicle here, fuel efficient, good ride quality, great acceleration, even with the base powertrain. Let me know if you guys own a K5, and let me know what you guys think about it. I have no bad news to report with any mechanical failure, no wiring and whatnot. I'm not having any mechanical things, praise God, thank God. But let me know what you guys think. I mean, I just want to bring you guys this video to let you guys know that a lot of people don't sign Kias because of the bad reputation they had in the past. But me personally, I'm happy to report right now, as of today, that this vehicle is still really good to me after 5 months of owning the vehicle. It's fuel efficient once again. The powertrain is good tech. I did have maybe 2 issues with the car. I just thought about it just now. I had 2 issues with the car regarding the infotainment system, but I was told by my Honda rep before I switched over to Kia that if the infotainment system does that, it's because your phone is not up to date. So I'm going to insert a clip and let you guys see what I'm talking about. So good morning, everybody. Right now my screen, this is the second time that it did this. As you guys see, the car is on, but the screen is blacked out. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but I'm gonna cut the car off and try to reset it. Hopefully it doesn't. My finger's in the way. Let me see if it doesn't, because I don't know why I did that. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, side note, the camera did cut off, but the CarPlay did start back up. So let's see, and there we go. I don't know what happened, but okay. But as you guys can see, the infotainment system was blinking, in and out. The audio was playing, but it wasn't playing at some times. But as of right now, there's no problems going on with the infotainment system. I'm just trying to keep my phone up to date because I was told that's why our phones kind of mess up our infotainment system when it's behind in the actual software update system. But let me know what you guys think about if you guys would honestly buy a Kia. Me personally, I never thought that I would, but it is a good, well-rounded vehicle. With that being said, hope you guys have enjoyed this review here. Be sure to check me out on Instagram at Drive On Reviews. Hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, and I will see you all in the next video.